Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nokia G21 smartphone, and in today's video we would like to share the top 3 apps that you can possibly get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that we were to show you today is called Unseen, and basically what this app is about, it allows you to bind some of the most popular messengers to it and get all the messages that you receive from those linked chat apps forwarded to the Unseen, where you will be able to read them without the sender of those messages actually knowing that those messages have been read. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and launch it. While opening this app for the first time, you'll be presented with some basic idea and basic instructions on how this app works or how this app should be utilized. Here we have the choice of what chat apps we would like to connect to the Unseen. There is like the core of 3 standard apps that we cannot edit is Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram, but you can add some other apps from this list as well. But I'll stick to the standard set of messengers. Next we gotta give some authorizations to it. So let's go ahead and grant the Unseen the notification access. Allow. Get back to the app. And basically we can just go ahead and start using it. Here at the first tab we'll have basically an inbox with all the messages from all across binded apps that we have binded with the Unseen, And next we'll have the separate tab for each messenger that has been connected with the Unseen. So here we have the separate tab for Facebook messages, WhatsApp messages and Instagram messages. There are also some very modest configurations that you can play with, but not much to talk about. Alrighty, so that was it for the Unseen app. The second app that we would like to show called Photomath, and basically this app allows you to take a picture or scan any real math problem that is written basically anywhere and get it solved automatically in a few seconds with explanation and very detailed steps on how the app solved this math problem. So let's say I have this very simple quadratic equation written on a piece of paper. So now what we want to do is to open the Photomath app. Here we'll be required to enter our age. For example, I'll say that I'm 30 years old, I'm a student. There is also some brief presentation on what you can expect from this application. We'll tap on done, allow the apps to access to the camera. And now we can go ahead and scan our math problem. So in order for you to, scan it, you just gotta place it inside this frame and tap on this red circle in order for the photo, or should I say picture, to be taken. So let me do it right now. So I'm framing the equation, tapping on the red circle. My equation is getting scanned and it has been solved in just under a second. And from now we can demonstrate the solving steps and the respective explanation to each of those steps. So it's a very useful app if you are solving some math problems on a daily basis, or you have some hard times with math in general. Alrighty, so that was it for the Photomath app. We are moving on to the third and the last app for this video, that is called Caffeine. In prior of me showing what this app is really capable of, I want to show you the fact that if you'll go to the settings, display category, expand the advanced sections, you'll see that at the screen timeout setting, the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So basically this app the Caffeine app solved this issue by providing you with some bigger values. For example, you can set the screen timeout to 1 hour, or even as it is set now, to infinite. So basically once set at infinite and once the Caffeine app is active and running, that will ultimately mean that as long as your screen will not go to sleep automatically, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. So a very useful app, a very simple one, but still. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!